case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States overturned a contentious decision regarding the repair or reconstruction of patented machinery in the case of Wilbur-Ellis Co. v. Kuther in 1964. The case hinged on the distinction between repair and reconstruction in the context of a patented invention. Wilbur-Ellis, the petitioner, had purchased 4 patented fish canning machines from the Kuther company. The machines were originally designed for larger 1-pound cans. However, the company found a need to adapt them for the packing of smaller 5-ounce cans. To do so, 6 non-patented elements of the machines were cleaned and resized. Kuther deemed this to be an infringement of their patent, leading to a lawsuit. Both the District Court and Court of Appeals ruled in favor of Kuther, leading Wilbur-Ellis to appeal to the Supreme Court. The patent in question was a unique assembly of unpatented components, rather than a specific invention related to the size or location of the replaced elements or the size of the fish cans to be processed. Therefore, the Supreme Court was called upon to determine whether the modification of the machines was a simple repair or a total reconstruction, the latter potentially constituting an infringement. The court ruled in favor of Wilbur-Ellis, finding that the machines had been repaired, not reconstructed. This decision rested on the contention that resizing 6 out of 35 elements of the combination patent did not constitute an infringement. It further clarified that the machines were sold without any restrictions, meaning Kuther had no basis to limit their use. Thus, the Supreme Court overturned the lower court's judgments, marking a notable decision in the sphere of patent law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.